Okay, about 8 years ago, my daughter Maria piled her SUV with women and drove us to a Mexican district in Chicago called Pilsen. There we met a muralist named Hector Duarte in his large studio. He showed us several canvases he had painted and talked about their significance. On page 18, on page 18 of ABQ inPrint 7, I wrote, "Divided Heart." Hector Duarte painted a human heart on a 4x4 canvas. A barbed wire divided the heart in half. The left side of the heart is composed of the Mexican flag. The right side of the heart is composed of the United States flag. Hector depicts the human heart as divided by loved ones on both sides of the barbed wire, divided by allegiance to both sides, divided by love for both countries, a heart ever yearning. This week, I read what Hector says about his piece, which he titles Corazón de Encantado. I had to go through Spanish to a stitched heart. It's a young heart who was born here and lived here early in life, but it's divided by two cultures, two flags. We survive in the city together, which is very segregated, but we have to open our minds and learn from another culture and keep the peace. We are the same. We are human beings. I have, let's see. Yeah, you painted that. I love what she did. She painted the Mexican flag and the United States flag, and I like that the wrist is clenching the barbed wire. And this is what Hector did.
Wow.
I couldn't remember. It's been 8 years. Couldn't remember. Anyway, you can see the little stitches stitching the United States flag and the Mexican flag. And thank you.
Thank you. May we pass that around?
Oh, yeah, I have more.
You can pass this around?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Pass it around for people
Okay.
to see. I'll take the mic.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mhm.